Hi guys, and welcome back to today's video. In this one, I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox Mother's Day 2020. I do have the box right in front of me here, which looks like this. So that's the packaging right there, and of course the back looks like this. So beautiful, you guys. I am living for this packaging, absolutely stunning. So yeah, in today's video we are going to go ahead and unbox this, find out what kind of goodies we receive, of course, for this year Mother's Day. Now I bought this one here for set €5, and let's begin the unboxing. So taking off the lid, and straight away, of course, the inside looks like this. You can see right there. And while I am unboxing this, I'm going to quickly tell you what Glossybox is. It is a beauty monthly subscription. You pay €15 every month to receive the box right to your door. They also have options. You can go for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. And yeah, I believe when you sign up for a longer period, you even save a little bit more, which is quite amazing. So that is pretty what Glossybox is all about. And you can also pay monthly if you want to. So yeah, let's go ahead and start, of course, unboxing this. Now I do have, of course, a link, referral link for you guys, a code if you want to check out Glossybox. I'm going to have that information down below to, save you a little bit, some coins of your Facebook. So I'm going to have that link down below. All right, let's take off this and have a look. Oh, okay, I see some goodies in here. Okay, I think this will be very, very perfect for for your mom, for your sister, or even for yourself as a treat. Why not? So let's find out what kind of goodies, of course, we have in here. Coming closer. All right, so the first product I see here is, what is this? Oh, an eyeshadow palette. This was a sneak peek, you guys. I saw this one on their website. Of course, it is Zoeva Caramel Melage, if that's how you say it, which of course is in this packaging here. Let me quickly just take it out. Oh, the packaging looks cute. So this is like a mini size, isn't it? Perfect for travel, All right, let's take it out of its packaging. Oh, okay. We get this protecting, paper thing. But oh, the colors looks pretty actually. Look at that. That doesn't look too bad. And I do like that we do get, the top ones are all matte shades, if you can see there. Top ones are all matte shades, of course, and then the bottom ones are shimmer, which is quite lovely. And wow, even the middle shade here will be like really perfect for my skin tone as a transition shade, which is of course this one here. I can see myself using this, and the shimmer looks absolutely beautiful. Wow, I'll swatch some for you guys so you can see on how they look like. I mean, why not? Let's swatch a few. So I have 3 here of the shimmer ones. I'm going to swatch them. Oh, wow. Ooh, they are super pigmented. Okay, that looks lovely. Look at that. Amazing colors. Okay. Happy with this one here. Definitely perfect for travel. So small, you can just pop it in your handbag and you are good to go. And that is our first product, you guys. Wow, wonderful. All right, let's move on. Yeah, wonderful. All right, so the next product we have here, let me just move this thing so that we organize ourselves here. Next product I see is, oh, a hair mask from what is it from? Whoa, okay, hold on, I need to get myself together here. So it's from Me Mademoiselle. Wow, we get a hair mask. Look at that. Okay, this is beautiful. And we are getting 175 milliliter. That's a lot of product in here. All right, yeah, a hair mask. And this one here, you have actually, they have 2 options. You either receive the one that I have, or or the other one, which is the paper one. So that is that. Wonderful. All right. So what does this say? So it should be here written somewhere. For a silky hair experience. Okay. Leaving hair feeling extra soft leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse throughout. Okay, hair mask. All right, and also this creates a silky wow effect and provides an extra soft feeling on the hair, which is wonderful, beautiful. And it also contains linseed oil, which protects the scalp and hair from drying out. That sounds very yummy for the hair. So yeah, that is our second product there. That's a lot of product in here, by the way. So yeah, that is wonderful. They are from of course, Mademoiselle. All right, hair mask. Let's move on to another product. Oh, hand cream. Yes, this hand cream from Delilo, which is this product right here. So this one is the hand cream, of course, which said at the back here, a rich and non-grease beautifying cream for dry and rough hands. Dry and rough hands, that sounds like me. You guys, you already know me, that I do have quite dry hands. Like, you know, when it's, my face is such an oily place. I do have oily face, but my hands and my legs are always drying. I'm like, okay, can I, like, you know, have like oily hands? Because I do like my hands to be moisturized. But anyway, this sounds really good for your hands, you know, dry hands. So, oh, it's sealed. Okay, wonderful. It does have this the lid that you can pop in there to open it. So like that, and I'm going to take a little bit, and that smells beautiful. Lovely, wonderful smell. So that is, of course, our said product from Delilo hand cream. Wonderful. All right, let's move on, you guys, to more product here. We have quite a lot in here. Wow, and next up we have from Avon. I've never received any product from Avon. Okay, first time. Look at that, you guys. We have a product from Avon. Wonderful. And somehow the color seems to be like, you know, inviting me here, like when it comes to skin tone. Hello, you know, I just see the, you know, the color over here. So this is supposed to be glow bronzing pearls. Oh, okay. Can we open this, please? Now my hands are nicely moisturized. I'm unable to open this. I don't want to destroy it. You know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. That's fine. All right. Oh, wow. The packaging looks like that. Upside down. Here we go. That's much better. That's the packaging. And of course, let's go ahead. Oh, we get like a sponge here that comes off like that, and the product, we have them right there. Oh, that is beautiful. That is definitely beautiful for my, even for my skin tone. That will be able to work. Okay. And the smell, you guys, that smells wonderful. All right, and what color is this? It's in the medium tan. Okay, so that will work for me definitely, from what I'm seeing here. So that is a bronzing product right there, and I believe you can even use this one here to highlight, because it looks quite, you know, that it's gonna work for highlight. Anyway, we'll probably test this in the future and just, you know, show you guys how the product looks like. But yeah, wonderful product from Avon True Bronze Glow Bronzing Pearl, which I am looking forward to be using. So yeah, that is that, you guys. Let's move on here. We still have a couple more products. Oh, we have something from Elizabeth Iden. I mean, this is the sneak peek. I saw this one as well. I already kind of know what this is, because of course Glossybox showed this already, of course, you know, on their website. But that's the outer packaging. It is, of course, a perfume. Let me just take it out. This I already know it was coming, because, you know, sneak peek, we get to see what. Oh, that's the packaging right there. So yeah, Okay, let's try to. That doesn't smell too bad. Not really my kind of scent, but okay, doesn't look, I mean, doesn't smell too bad. I think one would really enjoy this one. It's just never really my kind of scent that I usually go for, but it doesn't smell, you know, terrible at all. So yeah, and this one is of course white tea. Lovely. It's EDT spray. Okay, wonderful. And we are getting a 10 milliliter in this one here. So that is the product right there. Now my studio smells like white tea. All right, wonderful. All right, let's move on, you guys. We still got a couple more products to go, and we have something from Caudale. Okay, this looks like a mist, a spray, which looks like this. And what does this one? Okay, so it is of course you know, a mist for your face. You can spray this one just, you know, like to refresh your face, which I need because who doesn't need that? Okay, and the mist is quite fine as well. Oh, that smells wonderful. Can I actually take some right now? Hold on. Oh wow, you guys, that smells beautiful, and the face feels like cooling at the same time. I love that. Now I have a mix of this smell and of course the perfume smell. So my studio right about now smells very delicious in a way, but I do love the scent of this one more than I love the scent of the perfume. So yeah, this one definitely it smells like my kind of, you know, scent that I go for. So that is beautiful. Okay, all right, another amazing product right there. So let's move on to the next product here we have is from MÄRZ. Oh, that's how you pronounce it, this product right here. I'm not sure if the camera can actually show this properly without, but yeah, there we go. This is the product that we are getting. And what is this, by the way? So it is a nourishing cream. Okay, nourishing cream. All right, let's open it. Sealed. I like that. Okay. Oh, come on. These are my own nails, by the way. They are not even that long. I don't know why I'm struggling to open here. Why am I struggling to open? Oh, I have something here to help me open this. All right, we just got it open, which is lovely. Still getting the rest of this. Okay, the smell smells quite rich. So it looks like this. It's just like, you know, a white cream really, but very thick. The consistency, look at that, very thick. But yeah, that is the cream right there. It says here intense restructuring care with regeneration effect. All right, so that sounds wonderful. Okay, suitable for very dry skin with reduced elasticity. Okay, also provide the skin a renewal process and protect the skin from harmful environmental influences. Oh, sounds amazing. So that is all about this cream right here. So that is awesome product. All right, you guys, let's move on to our last product. Oh, what is this? This looks like a lipstick, or what is this? Okay, that's, oh, okay, it says here nail color, so a nail polish, I'm guessing then. Oh yes, it is top coat. It's a matte top coat, and from Bubble. this product right here. Okay, so I can be able to actually, you know, pop this one on top of my nails right here. You know what I'll do? I think I'm going to try you know, some of these goodies in another video, just show you guys how they look like on. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're going to do. Can't talk now. That's what we're going to do. But yeah, I'll be trying the nail polish you know, on top of my nails, just to see how it looks like. But yeah, it says top coat and top coat matte. All right, that is that. Wow, was that everything which was in the box, you guys? Yeah, that was everything. So wow, I am actually impressed with this box, because we do get really good products in here. I mean, this will be a very beautiful to like present for your mom if they do use, you know, makeup, or you know, I mean, I know some moms, they, you know, they don't, but if you know, your mom or your sister, you know, or your auntie, you know, it will be a very good present to give. But yeah, so definitely, you know, I love the sound of this mask here, which, you know, sounds very, very lovely for your hair. And of course, this one from you know, the mist, the spray, that is also another great product. And of course the perfume, even though the scent is not really for me, but I'm pretty sure somebody will be able to love this. So that, and then of course the hand cream that I love, because I do have dry skin, you guys, and this smells lovely. Of course it is designed for my, you know, for my dry, rough hand. So that is wonderful product right there from Delilu, of course, there. And we also have, trying to hold everything using one hand. I don't know if that's going to be possible, but yeah. And then we also have, of course, our cream over here, which is of course a Cell-Made Demo Edge Defy. And oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, this one, it's in the shade Rich. They do have like two it comes in two shades right here. So there's light and rich. So I do have the you know, the rich one. There's 1 and 2 there. So the one I have is of course number 2, which is rich. So yeah. And then of course the the bronzing, you guys, from Avon. I mean, this will be lovely. I mean, I need to try it. And then of course the palette from Zoeva, these shades here, they're absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, we have some really awesome goodies in here overall all together. You know, I'm going to have the total price somewhere on the screen, either this side or this side, so you guys can get to see on how much all these goodies, you know, retails for. I mean, you know, I got this one for €35 if we even got our €35 back. So I'm going to have all the total on the screen here, so you guys can get to see about that. All right, so this is pretty much everything, you guys, for Glossybox Mother's Day 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this video, and also don't forget to check out Glossybox. I do have, of course, my referral link down below for you guys. And yeah, lots of love. Go have a good one. Take care of yourself out there, and I shall catch you lovely people on my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and also ring your bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. All right, you guys, love you, lots of love, take care, love you, lots of love. Wow, that's double love right there, you guys. All right, I shall catch you guys on my next video. Bye for now.